Well, I'm curious. I mean, now they're pricing likely at the lower end of the range. You're wondering if they're managing for the pop. I mean, a lot of the early investors, they're going to be locked in for months and months, right? So I think there's the concerns that they're sort of what you might have seen with Lyft with the short hedge. I mean, they're still kind of there, but I think that's less of an issue. If you're betting on one of these companies, you got to bet on one. You can't buy into both. That's part of it. But I still think the fundamentals matter in this case. And as much as we want to buy into the growth narrative, I still don't know if it's a real business. I don't know if on a per ride basis they can make themselves profitable going forward, right? And whether it can only be profitable in certain instances, but not in every other instance.
To that point, David, you feel like ride sharing as a service is hugely beneficial for the consumers, but not for the operators, not for the companies that provide the service.
Exactly. Long term, this is just going to be like your city bus service. There's really no profit or margin in it. I mean, if they're losing $3 billion now with all the incentives and by squeezing drivers to the point that drivers are protesting and like not willing to work anymore, you know, how's it going to work when they actually have to pay drivers a fair wage? And this automatic driving or autonomous vehicle stuff is not going to be a solution either. There's a lot of capital costs and insurance costs associated with that. I think at the end of the day, this I agree with Ed. This business model does not work. There are no profits in it.
Well, we've got another side here, Jeff. You're an early investor. When did you get in? And talk us through the growth and profitability story, if you can.
Got in about 4 years ago. I'm going to take the other side of this trade. I actually think that Uber is in a really good position. You look at their diversified, global footprint. I mean, this is a company that is all over the world. They have an incredible balance sheet. They're diversified not only amongst ride sharing, but they also have Uber Eats, which I think is a huge opportunity of growth for us. I mean, it's a $795 billion addressable market. If they can just get 1%, you're talking about bolting on another $8 billion on a forward revenue of 14.2 that we're expecting right now. So, to me, that kind of a balance sheet, Uber's doing exactly what they should be doing. They're keeping prices down low right now, so the competitors that they are competing with are going to struggle. They're dry up. Uber will come in, pick up their market share, acquire the companies that are important to acquire, and then set the market. And I think everything changes in. This is an exponential company. This is a company that is leveraging other assets. It's doing everything that they can do in the right way, and I think it's absolutely a miss if they created a legendary company, and I think it's a huge miss if we don't think they're going to do legendary things in the future with it.